How to use a gift card on Starbucks. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use gift card on Starbucks app. To use a gift card on Starbucks app, you will need to first add the card on it and then you'll be able to use it. For that, first of all, you need to ensure that you have already downloaded the authentic Starbucks application on your mobile device. Here this application is not available in my region, so I'm not able to download it. But if this is available in your country, you'll be able to download it. Once downloaded, you can open the application and then log into your existing Starbucks account. If you don't have an account, you can follow the prompts to create an account on it. Once you have logged into your account, on the home screen, you'll be able to see different tabs at the bottom. Tap on that pay icon and inside it you will need to look for plus icon. Tap on that plus icon and there you will need to select add gift card or add card option. Once you select it, now you will need to either scan the card or enter the details manually. If you choose to scan the card, you will need to use your device camera to scan the barcode on the gift card. And if you choose to enter details manually, you will need to input the card number and security code found on the back of your card. Once after entering all the details, you can simply tap on add card or similar confirmation button and then the gift card balance will now be linked to your account. And once it is linked, whenever you make a purchase, you can select your gift card as the payment method during checkout. And from there, you'll be able to use your gift card on Starbucks. So by following these steps, you should be able to use your Starbucks gift card through the application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.